Dave Reddin has doubled down on his call for radical change to Welsh Rugby, including a reduction from 4 to 2 professional sides. The Welsh Rugby Union's new Director of Rugby and Elite Performance put forward his optimal system last month, advocating huge central control and a streamlined structure aimed at delivering consistent success on the international stage. Both the WRU and the four professional clubs, Cardiff Dragons, Ospreys and Scarlets, have entered a formal consultation process alongside other key stakeholders. The consultation ends in late September with an announcement on the new structure expected in October. Reddin's proposals have faced widespread pushback, particularly from supporters, while the Dragons issued a strongly worded statement on Thursday condemning the plans as unacceptable. The structural review is a response to the men's national side, which has finished the last two Six Nations with a wooden spoon and recently ended an 18-test losing streak alongside four professional clubs that have struggled for competition. Reddin explained the thinking behind the proposed changes. A key part of this proposal is the number of professional clubs. We're suggesting a structure built around two men's professional teams and two women's professional teams. By focusing resources, we can elevate funding, staffing and squad depth to a level where they can genuinely compete for domestic and European honours. At the same time, this approach would free up investment for the wider game, creating a strategic ecosystem that strengthens rugby at every level. He stressed that no decisions have yet been made. This is a proposal and we want it to be open so we could have informed conversation and focused feedback on the proposed optimal system, not a blank sheet of paper, he said. And for Wales fans and the fans of these clubs now, they are waiting for a big decision on their future.